So one of the things that you can do in VLC Media Player is take screenshots. So to do that, first of all, what you need to do is open out a video that you want to take the screenshot of, just like this. So it's playing, and now let's say I want to pause in a certain section like this one to take the screenshot. And now to take the screenshot, you can go to the video menu and then choose Take Snapshot right here. And now it gets saved onto the pictures folder right here. So around over here, you can see the pictures folder right here. So if I were to go ahead and double click it right here, then you can see that this is the picture snapshot from the video taken by VLC right here, just like this. So over here in VLC right here, what you can also do is you can keep on playing and then take the snapshot as you're actually going ahead and playing out right here. And then you can see that this is what you have accordingly right here. You have the pictures right here as you go ahead and play out as well. And that is how you can go ahead and take screenshots using VLC Media Player. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.